Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Let's make this maybe with 3 elements. And then conic to be. And these are all mirrored. Let's get rid of the width. And single height 130, 170, so 40. In a third P, which should overlap with the second P. Better, it's like, yeah, it's only 40 high. And then we set this background to the pink. Okay, the whole problem with this is that that really needs to be last. So actually, let's get rid of that. Let's get this in the right place first. That'll be 130. That'll be minus 130. About 150. 67. Perfect. I'm going to set this background to the pink. We're going to make this margin slightly bigger, 62. I'm going to do border inline, 40 pixels, solid, and the green. That gives us one line. Already hide the last one. Plus P and rotate it 90 degrees. That gives us that cross. Plus P with 60. No, not width, height. We'll give this some margins. Three. Eight. 132. That's good. That looks right. Then all we need is this background to be that color. And there we have 100%. So what we've done is we've started with this line and then just added the borders. We lined up this to be exactly on top of it and rotated it 90 degrees. And then we put a block over the top of those. I can't think of an easier way of doing that. So next up, let's try doing this with a set of just conic gradients on the nested template. just to see what we can do. Let's leave that red while we get the margins in place. 60. That's too far. 20. 70. Okay. Then we'll do a conic-gradient. We will use okay, yeah. We'll do from 90 degrees. Transparent 5%, and then green 25%. That 40 pixels, 40 pixels. That's going to give us this green line around there. And then we're going to set 0 and 0. Set the width to be 220. And this looks like a square, so we'll go 220 that way. That gets us all of the green. Now, actually, let's not make that transparent. Let's make that the pink. Then what we'll do is a conic-gradient. On 10 pixels, on 10 pixels. Transparent. $75%. And then the white color. That does cut out that. Then we want it to have a width of 150. So if we do 0, 0, 150 pixels, 150 pixels, that gets us everything. And then all we need to do is put this green square in, which is another conic-gradient. We know that's 60 pixels by 60 pixels, so we'll do that. Make it 75% transparent. We'll make it the green. And then we'll shift that, what, 130 pixels and 130 pixels? No. How about 110? No. How about 100? 100? That looks good. Minify, unit replace. And that is a second way of doing it. Not as good as our first way though. So let's load up our original. Is there anything we could have done here? Well, there's an extra character. Could I tell it? That got rid of some more. I can't see any more games, so that's where I'm going to leave it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.